Bearded Science Guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a smoke waterfall. To start with, take a paper clip and bend one end of it into a circle, just about the same size as a mechanical pencil. Now take the other end of the paper clip and attach it to a glass container. This will be your stand that holds the smoke waterfall in place. Take a post-it note and roll it up tightly so that it's about the same size as a mechanical pencil. When you're finished, it should look like a spiral, coiling smaller and smaller toward the center. This will allow the smoke to cool faster, which is the driving force behind a smoke waterfall. Slide the roll of paper into your wire stand at about a 45-degree angle, and then light the top of it. As the smoke is traveling down the tube, it will cool off, causing it to sink to the floor. We usually see smoke rising because it's mixed in with extremely hot air, and hot air rises. But if we cool the smoke before letting it go, it will sink straight to the floor because it's actually denser than air. This experiment works the best in a warm room with extremely still air.